Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kaisa Hasabila. I'm from class 1 TBIC. So, claim evidence and reasoning or CER is a simple method or organize your thinking and writing. When we argue, it is important that our ideas build upon each other. This makes our arguments sound logical. And focus. Here's an example paragraph that follows the structure of claim evidence and reasoning or CER. Schools should require uniforms because they help reduce bullying. This statement is your claim. It is the main argument or idea you're attempting to prove or convey. For example, a study conducted in 50 middle schools found that schools with uniforms had 30% fewer bullying incidents compared to school without uniforms. This sentence is your evidence. A claim with no evidence proves little. However, if you can support your claim with a study, personal experience, a quote, or logic, this will strengthen your argument. When students wear uniforms, there are fewer difference in clothing that could make someone a target for bullying. By wearing the same clothes, students are less likely to be judged based on their appearance, which can help create a safer and more equal school environment. Now this is an example of reasoning in the explanation of why your evidence supports your claim. It's like connecting the dots between what you say, your claim, and the facts. You have your evidence. You need to show how the evidence proves your point. Here's another example paragraph that use claim, evidence, and reasoning or CER. Getting enough sleep each night helps students perform better in school. For example, last year I used to stay up late playing video games and struggled to focus in class the next day, but once I started going to bed earlier, my grades improved and I felt more awake during lessons. This demonstrates that when you don't get enough sleep, your brain doesn't have time to rest and recharge, making it harder to concentrate. By getting more sleep, I was able to stay focused and understand what the teacher was saying, which helped me to do better in school. A simple formula you can follow when using claim, evidence, and reasoning. If this claim, for example, this demonstrates or this shows that now it is your turn to practice using claim, evidence, and reasoning in your writing. Choose a topic, any topic, and write a paragraph that has a focus, claim, evidence to support that claim, and reasoning or the explanation of why your evidence supports your claim. Good luck!